exit from the EU has caused widespread uncertainty.
The key thing to understand is that it will be the British Parliament that announces to the European Union that it wants to take the country out of Europe. So that requires a solid majority in the British Parliament. This current Parliament was not elected on that ticket, so they will have to go to new elections. The only way to go to new elections is to have a no confidence vote in the government. Now, given that the Prime Minister has resigned and it's not obvious who would take his place, it's possible they may get that no confidence vote, but then they would have to go to a national election.
Global markets are in turmoil. For Africa, the worry is now over trade deals that may have to be renegotiated.
Until the exit package is agreed upon with the European Union, Britain will remain a member of the European Union. So it will be part of the common market until the exit button is actually pushed. The next question then is what replaces that? And we're talking a minimum of 3 years, I would say, before that button is actually pushed.
South Africa is Europe's largest trading partner in Africa.
For South Africa, though, it means that we would have to look to negotiate a separate trade deal with the UK. What that will do is it will obviously stifle trade in the short term, and it depends on what trade deal we can get in place with the UK will determine how successful we are in accessing the UK market going forward.
Once Britain leaves the EU, it will no longer be part of the Eurozone and will lose preferential trade partnerships with the world's biggest free market. This could reduce the UK's appeal as an investment destination.
There are many companies in South Africa that have direct business links with the UK. There are many companies that have opened offices in the UK with implications of being able to move throughout Europe. They would have to relook at that and decide, do I relocate from the UK into mainland Europe in order to get better access to the European Union?
3 years is a long time to wait until Britain is settled as an independent player in the global economy. There's growing concerns that the UK could also suffer a recession. For South Africa, the timing couldn't be worse. Subdued growth from Europe will drag South Africa's already weak economy further into demise. Sumitra, Nydoo, CCTV, Johannesburg.